maybe a couple of inches on each side, so it was like 50 inches total. But so far, it works good enough.